up, you guys? It's your girl Angel Sky, and I'm coming at you with another hair review. And in this video, I am going to be reviewing this Kinky Curly Lace Front Unit from Alipearl Hair. This hair is 16 inches and 180% density. And I'm just showing you guys the products that I will be using in this video, which is the gel, a dimming brush, and the 2 curling creams that I showed you guys, and that will be down in the description box below. Look how beautiful this hair is. It is so bouncy. And it really can be defined really well, or it can be less defined if that's what you like. So let's get right into it. This is the unit straight out of the package. I didn't even pluck this unit, guys. It came right out of the box looking this good. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the ear tabs. Y'all, do not talk about my makeup because I can tell that it really doesn't match my neck. So I'm going to end up taking it off halfway through the video. But I really am trying to get into makeup. If you guys have any tips on how to match my foundation color to my skin, let me know. I really like a more natural look. So I'm just going to use this NYX Jumbo Eyeliner Pencil in white to mark where I want to place my glue so that I don't place an excessive amount of glue. I'm just going to go in with my Ghost Bond and do 3 layers. 1 layer, wait until it dries, another layer, wait until it dries, and then on the 3rd layer is when I'm going to lay it. Now I'm just using a little bit of my red Ebony spray to give the glue a little bit of an extra hold for when I place the unit. Now I'm just using the comb to really press the lace into that glue and make it melt a little bit more seamlessly into my skin. So I left the band on for about 20 to 25 minutes before taking it off to ensure that the glue was really dry. As you can see, I was having a lot of fun with this hair. So now I'm going to cut the lace. I typically cut the lace into 4 separate sections so that it's easier for me to cut with my razor comb or my eyebrow razor. You want to go ahead and try to cut that in a zigzag motion so that the lace is less detectable. One of my ear tabs started to come up, so I went ahead and fixed that. Now I'm going to use some of that Ebony spray to melt the lace a little bit more, because sometimes when you cut the lace, it'll leave like jagged edges and it won't be all the way laid down. Now I'm just going to put my band on for probably another 5 minutes, just because this stuff doesn't take long to dry. So I'm going to show you guys 2 different ways on how you could wear the hair. You could wear it a little bit more voluminous like I'm about to show you, or closer to the end of the video you can wear it really defined. So it really just depends on how you want to wear this hair. So coming up is where I'm going to wear the hair, and it's really defined form. All I did was wet it with a ton of water, and then I used those 2 curl defining creams that I showed you in the beginning. Well, actually one is leave-in conditioner, and then I raked gel through the hair and used my dimming brush to really define the curls, and the hair dried like this. So you can wear the hair either way, and I think either way is beautiful, but I think this one is probably more of my everyday kind of look. In doing the baby hairs, I really want to go for more of a natural fluffy looking baby hair, just so the hair looks more real. Guys, people really think this is my real hair in real life, because guys, my natural hair looks very similar to this hair. Like if you go on my Instagram and look at old pictures, this is how short my hair used to be. Now my curls are much longer, but I do miss when my hair was this length. So I really like this unit for when I want to go a little bit shorter and don't want to have to deal with my hair. Okay, go ahead and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, because I'm going to be coming with more honest wig reviews. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Give me a really good feeling. Oh, yeah.